The Marlston is a propeller-style ceiling fan with weather-resistant blades and a color-changing light. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is remote control operated. The fan is available with a 36-inch blade span for small spaces, a 52-inch blade span for large spaces, and a 60-inch blade span for great spaces. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. Prepare the canopy assembly by twisting and removing the canopy bottom cover. Loosen both hanger bracket screws. Twist and lift the canopy to remove the hanger bracket. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the two collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Note that the down rod does not need to be completely inserted into the collar. Tighten the two collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy bottom cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to attach the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. If you purchased a longer down rod to install on the fan, you can use the included wire extenders to provide more length. The wire extenders are not required if using the down rod included with the fan. At the ceiling box, loosen the two outlet box screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten the screw securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling and slide it into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, receiver, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan together. Connect the 2-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully press and tuck the wires around the sides of the hanger bracket and receiver. Lift the canopy and align the holes with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to hold in place. Tighten both hanger bracket screws securely. Lift the canopy bottom cover and align the keyhole slots with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the fan blades can now be installed. On the fan blade, locate the up stamp and face it upward. Bring the blade up to the fan and align it with the holes on the motor. Insert the blade support plate with screws through the holes and tighten both screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Locate the notches on the light kit. Locate the tabs on the light kit mounting plate. Align the light kit notches over the tabs and turn clockwise until it locks into place. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The assembly is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. Install the included batteries to begin using the remote. Out of the box, the remote will be pre-paired to the fan. Press one of the fan speed buttons to activate the fan. Upon each startup, the fan blades will oscillate back and forth for a few seconds as part of its blade calibration cycle. Press the power button to turn the fan off. Press the Comfort Breeze button to toggle Comfort Breeze mode, a feature that simulates a natural breeze by randomly cycling through different fan speeds. Press the Fan Reverse button to change the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Press the timer buttons to turn the fan and light off after a certain amount of time has passed. The delay can be set to 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. Press the light button to toggle the light on or off. Press and hold the dimmer button to cycle through the different brightness settings. Press the correlated color temperature button to change the color temperature of the light. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. An optional wall holder for the remote is included. Use the included screws to attach it to the wall and place the remote inside. If your fan is not responding to the remote, or if you are using a replacement remote, you can complete a pairing process to connect it to the fan. Begin by turning power off at the breaker for a few seconds. Then restore power. Within 60 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The fan will power on and the light will flash on and off to indicate the pairing was successful. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.